Presenting a pre-owned 2019 Volkswagen Golf. This four-door hatchback has engine with front-wheel drive and a 1-speed direct-drive transmission. This Volkswagen is a great value with less than 46,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 126 miles per gallon in the city and 111 miles per gallon on the highway. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, smartphone integration, wireless data link, spare tire kit, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, digital odometer, external temperature display, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.